Okay, when you're cutting your scones, you want to start in the middle. See, I already have one right there. And so you start in the middle, and then you work, and then once you cut it in the middle, then you cut it in the middle again, and then you cut it in the middle again. Now these were a little bit bigger than these, and then it's okay to have some small ones, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 scones is good. If you want to make them smaller, you can, but I have to make sure that they spread out because these are going to be some good sized scones. So look, it has like a little roll. So you roll it basically. You carefully roll it using your scraper, right? And then you just go ahead and you lay it out, and there you have it. And I'll bake them, and then I'll show you the results. Oh, and you want to make sure, I'm going to do an egg wash. The recipe did ask for butter, but I'm going to put a little bit of milk in there and just wash it with egg. I like an egg wash better on it. I guess these are supposed to be like vegan, or not vegan, but vegetarian, because it does have the butter in it. Or you could use a vegan butter. And, but I'll add a little bit of milk in there, and, or maybe some oat milk. I don't know, something to soften up the egg, and then I'm going to brush it over. Okay, I'll show you the results.